Hello guys, so on this video I'm gonna show you two ways to fix the music story problem on your Instagram. So the first way you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, go to the apps. Right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, go to Instagram and here click on this force stop option and then click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram. So if it didn't fix, then I will show you the second way. So the second way is open the Play Store and search for Instagram, and then you will find this option here. It's called update. All what you have to do is click on it and it will start updating your Instagram app. So yeah, it's very easy to fix as you can see, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.